With its unique and visually captivating concept, the dancing Citroen C4 advertisement was designed to appeal to a worldwide audience, primarily target the younger, trend-conscious consumers who were seeking a distinctive and stylish car. The ad's emphasis on the car's features and movements might have attracted car enthusiasts, particularly those interested in the engineering, design, and technology. The synchronized dance routine of the Citroen C4 highlights its unique body panels and emphasizes its agility and responsiveness on the road. So today, let's talk about the Citroen car and its typical problems you should know. Citroen's best-selling market is Europe, particularly in countries such as France, Spain, Italy, and the United Kingdom. Being a French brand, Citroën has traditionally enjoyed a strong presence and market share in its home country of France. It has a rich history and a loyal customer base in the European market. Spain, Italy, and the United Kingdom are also significant markets for Citroën. These countries have shown consistent demand for Citroen cars, appreciating the brand's unique design, comfort, and affordability. Citroen has established a substantial market share in these countries, competing against other popular European automakers. Citroen has a global presence and operates in various overseas markets behind Europe. Some of the notable overseas markets for Citroen include China, South America, India, and Middle East, in which Citroen has entered the Indian market in 2021 with a launch of its first locally manufactured model, the Citroen C5 aircross. India is a growing market with immense potential, and Citroen aims to establish a strong presence by introducing more models and expanding its dealership network. However, there are several factors contributing to the relatively lower popularity and sales of the Citroen cars in the Indian market. Here are the possible reasons. First is the pricing and value perception. Price is a significant factor influencing car purchase in India. Citroen's initial models launched in India were positioned in the premium segment, which may have limited its appeal to the price-sensitive Indian consumers. Indian consumers often seek value for money and cost-effectiveness in their car purchase. The next one is the brand awareness and perception. Citroen is a relatively newer brand in the Indian automotive market compared to the established brands like the Suzuki, Hyundai, and Tata Motors. Limited brand awareness and a lack of the familiarity among Indian consumers may have impacted the sales. And the number 3 is the competitive market. The Indian automotive market is highly competitive, with several well-established domestic and international brands offering a wide range of the vehicles. Citroen faces the tough competition from both domestic and foreign automakers, which may make it challenging to establish a strong foothold in the market. Number 4 is the after-sales service and network. The availability and quality of the after-sales service, maintenance, and a robust dealership network play a crucial role in car sales. Citroen is working on expanding its dealership network in India, but the limited presence or perceived lack of a service infrastructure may have affected the customer's confidence. And the last one is the product offering and localization. Understanding the specific needs and preferences of the Indian market is essential for the success. Citroen has introduced some models in India, but the product lineup and the localization efforts may not have completely aligned with the Indian consumer preference, market demands, and the regularity requirements. We all know the automotive market is dynamic, and consumer preference can evolve over time. We are keeping watching if Citroen continues to work on improving its market position in India, introducing new models, expanding its network, and addressing customers' concerns to gain a stronger foothold in the country. Or do you now have any ideas of the best Citroen cars you like? Leave comments below to share with us. We'd love to hear from you. Back to our discussion about the most popular model the Citroen ever has. You can't miss out the Citroen C3. The C3 is a compact car that offers a combination of style, comfort, and practicality, which has resonated well with the customers. The Citroen C3 has been popular in Europe, particularly in France, where it has consistently ranked among the top-selling cars. It has also gained significant traction in other European markets, such as Spain and Italy. With experienced the great sales performance and the growing demand of the SUV, Citroen created the C3 aircross for SUV market. Targeting different segments and offering distinct features, here are the key differences between the Citroen C3 and Citroen C3 aircross. Number 1, the design and size. The Citroen C3 is a compact hatchback with a more traditional and round hatchback design. It offers a sleek and stylish exterior with a focus on urban mobility. On the other hand, the C3 aircross is a subcompact SUV with a more rugged and a SUV-like appearance. It features higher ground clearance, roof rails, and a more muscular stance, making it suitable for those seeking a versatile and adventurous driving experience. Second is the body type. The C3 is a conventional hatchback with a 5-door configuration, offering seating for up to 5 occupants. The Citroen C3 aircross, as a SUV, typically has a higher driving position and a more spacious interiors. It offers the features a slightly larger body, offering increased passengers and cargo space compared to the C3 hatchback. Next is the driving experience. The C3 is designed for the urban commuting and offers a comfortable ride with agile handling. It focuses on providing a smooth and refined driving experience with a range of efficient engine options. And the C3 aircross, being an SUV, offers a more commanding driving position, increased ground clearance, and enhance the off-road capability. It aims to deliver a versatile driving experience suitable for both urban and adventurous journeys. And the last one, let's see its features and customizations. Both models offer a range of features and customization options. However, the C3 aircross often emphasizes its SUV attribute by offering features like the grip control, increased storage capacity, and model seating options. The C3, being a hatchback, may place more emphasis on the technology, connectivity, and urban-oriented features. While the Citroen vehicles, including the C3, are generally reliable, there have been a few reported common issues or areas of concern with the Citroen C3. First is the electrical issue. Some owners have reported the electrical problems, including issues with the central locking system, power windows, or the dashboard display. These problems can range from the intermittent malfunction to the completely failures, requiring diagnosis or repair by a qualified technician. Second one is the suspension and ride comfort. There have been occasionally complaints about the suspension system and ride comfort. Some drivers have reported the excessive body roll or harsh ride quality, especially on rough or uneven surface. This can potentially be attributed to the design characteristic of the vehicle or the worn suspension components. Number 3 is the engine and transmission. While the majority of Citroen C3 owners do not experience significant engine or transmission issues, there have been isolated reports of the problems, such as engine misfires, stalling, or transmission shifting irregularities. These issues may require a thorough diagnostic examination and potential repairs by a professional mechanic. Number 4 is the water leaks. A few owners have reported the water leaks, particularly around the windshield or the sunroof. These leaks can lead to the water intrusion into the cabin, resulting in the dampness or damage to the interior. And the last one is the timing chain system malfunction. More car drivers now are aware of the prevent active timing replacement to maintain their timing system. On average, the cost of replacing a timing chain in a Citroen C3 can range from the $500 to $1,500 or more. This estimate includes the cost of the timing chain kit, which typically includes the timing chain, tensioners, guides, and relative components, as well as the labor charges for the replacement. The important note to pay attention is that the timing chain replacement process can be very complex and labor-intensive, involving the disassembly of various engine components. Therefore, labor charges can significantly differ depends on the complexity and repairing time and the time for the repair shop areas. Majority car owners enjoy the trouble-free experience with their Citroen C3. Regular maintenance, timely service, and addressing any concerns prompt can help mitigate the potential problems and ensure the longevity of the vehicle. If you encounter any issues with your C3, it is recommended to consult with an authorized Citroen service center or a qualified mechanic for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate resolutions. It's important to note that the specific features, design elements, and the specifications may vary depending on the model year and the regional variations. It's advisable to refer to the official Citroen website or consult a Citroen dealership for the most up-to-date and detailed information on each model. It's worth noting that the sales performance can vary over time and across different markets. Citroen's lineup includes various models catering to the different segments, such as the C4, C5 aircross, and the Berlingo. For the most up-to-date information on Citroen's best-selling model, it's advisable to refer to the recent sales data or the official reports from the Citroen or relevant automotive industry source. Alright, my friend, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And I will see you very soon next week. Adios!